Breaking into tech in 2026 feels overwhelming. We all dey talk about AI and oversaturated entry-level roles. But here's the truth. Companies are desperate for specific, practical, technical skills that don't require a 4-year computer science degree. If you focus on high-demand niches with strong salary growth and clear entry points, you can build a remote-friendly tech career fast. Here are 5 high-demand tech skills that pay exceptionally well and are genuinely entry-level friendly. First up, cybersecurity analysis and security operations. With cyber threats rising globally, entry-level SOC analysts are needed to monitor networks, analyze SIEM logs, and stop basic attacks. You don't need to be an elite hacker to start. Mastering core tools like Wireshark, basic Nmap scans, and Linux fundamentals gets your foot in the door. Second, cloud administration and technical support. Businesses are migrating to the cloud daily, creating massive demand for entry-level admins who know the basics of AWS or Microsoft Azure. An entry-level certification like AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals gives you immediate credibility. Third, data analytics and SQL companies don't just collect data. They need people to clean it, organize it, and present actionable business insights. By learning SQL, Excel, and a visualization tool like Tableau or Power BI, you can learn high-paying and analyst roles quickly. Fourth, QA and software testing. Quality assurance testers ensure software works before launch, making it one of the easiest ways to break into software development without having to write complex apps. Fifth, technical writing and API documentation. If you can translate technical jargon into clear guides, tech companies will pay top dollar for your ability to write developer documentation. The key isn't learning everything at once. Pick one skill, build 2 to 3 hands-on portfolio projects, and start applying. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment on which skill you are picking, and subscribe for more practical tech career tips.